Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Look at these cute dogs crossing the road. So respectful. All of this happened within 3 minutes.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
That must have been a quiet drive home. Not too sure what this driver was on about, but they would be perfect friends. When men give each other real motivation to encourage growth and hard work, how considerate.
You're so bad. Get some wheels at least. No team. You're broke. You're such a savage. God damn. I can't believe you're white and you got no money. Get some money. Get some money. Get some money. Get some money. Oh my God, get some money, bro.
Wonder how much damage that could have done.
Jesus Christ.
Interesting road rage going on here. Between who? I don't even know. What is going on here? Is he playing a game? This is exactly how you do not take an exit.
Take the exit toward Baltimore Washington Parkway, then keep left.
driver going too fast, do you think? What happened here? This happens every other day, mate. He almost ran him off the road. Teenagers. How can you be going so fast down the wrong side of the road? I'm not too sure if this is road rage or a really bad lane change. Is it really hard to look left and right? This guy just did a full flip midair. The best parking you will ever see in America. He probably had a back camera and he still backed into this parked car. You could have just used an actual lane to overtake, you know, like the passing lane. What type of Tesla is this? I guess his gate ticket is free now. If you ever get in an accident in Publish and don't have a dash cam, make sure to check all building cameras around the scene. Some people are impatient. Welcome to Gen Z, where our reaction time is determined by how good this TikTok that we are watching in our car is. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.